Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic Inheritance and its types in Python programming language. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows a class, called a child or subclass, to inherit attributes and methods from another class, called a parent or superclass. This helps in reusability and organization of code by enabling new classes to be created with little or no modification to existing classes. In object-oriented programming, there are several types of inheritance. Here's a brief explanation of each type along with examples in Python. Types of inheritance. Single inheritance. A class inherits from one parent class. Class is present, parent. Child class. Relation. Child inherits from parent. Multiple inheritance. A class inherits from more than one parent class. Class is present, parent 1, parent 2, and child class. Child inherits from parent 1 and parent 2. Multilevel inheritance. A class inherits from a parent class, which inherits from another class. Class is present. Grandparent. Parent and child class. Child inherits from parent, which inherits from grandparent. Hierarchical inheritance. Multiple classes inherit from a single parent class. Class is present. Parent. Child 1. Child 2. Child 1 and child 2 both inherit from parent. Hybrid inheritance. A combination of two or more types of inheritance. Class is present, grandparent. Parent 1. Parent 2. Child. Child inherits from parent 1 and parent 2, which both inherit from grandparent. Now, let's create a more comprehensive example of inheritance using different types of vehicles. We will structure it with a base vehicle class and subclasses for different types of vehicles. Two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler, and then further subclasses for engine types gas, petrol, diesel and electric, and then finally assign models. Vehicle class is a base class for all vehicles. Two-wheeler vehicle inherits from vehicle, specific for two-wheeled vehicles. Three-wheeler vehicle inherits from vehicle, specific for three-wheeled vehicles. Four-wheeler vehicle inherits from vehicle, specific for four-wheeled vehicles. Gas engine, class for gas engine vehicles. Petrol engine, class for petrol engine vehicles. Diesel engine, class for diesel engine vehicles. Electric engine, class for electric engine vehicles. Sports car, inherits four-wheeler and petrol engine. Combines four-wheeler and petrol engine. Represents sports cars. Commercial truck, inherits four-wheeler and diesel engine. Combines four-wheeler and diesel engine. Represents commercial trucks. Electric bike, inherits two-wheeler and electric engine. Combines two-wheeler and electric engine. Represents electric bikes. Using the classes, let's create instances of different vehicle models. S-car assigned sports car of Ferrari, 488 Spider. C-truck assigned commercial truck of Volvo, FH16. E-bike assigned electric bike of 0, SR, F. Now, let's call the method start and details. Start function is inherited from vehicle class but not modified. We can display details of all the vehicles using function details, so here are the invocations for both the methods. scar.start, scar.details, ctruck.start, ctruck.details, ebike.start, ebike.details. The output in this case is Ferrari 488 Spider is starting. Ferrari 488 Spider is a sports car with a petrol engine. Volvo FH16 is starting. Volvo FH16 is a commercial truck with a diesel engine. 0 SR, F is starting. 0SR, F is an electric bike with an electric engine. In summary, inheritance allows you to create a new class by reusing the code from an existing class. This helps in maintaining a cleaner codebase and promoting code reusability. So, this covers an overview of inheritance in Python. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.